Today, I'll be working on a 2006 Scion XB. The truth. Alright, so today I'm going to be replacing the battery in the Scion because it is completely dead. I've had it on the trickle charger for a while, and the trickle charger was showing that it was failing. God only knows how long that battery's in there. We'll check the date here in just a minute, but I have to actually use the physical key to open up the door. But first, a word from today's sponsor. So this legitimately used to be my old wallet, the big thick one, and it used to always be a pain to sit down on. And with my old wallet, it was way too thick to even try and fit in the front pocket of my jeans. But this is the Lorzor Leather Wallet B2. It's got a minimalist design, which combines expert design functionality, offering a sleek bifold structure with a convenient thumb cutout for fast access for your daily cards, and a secure money clip to hold your bills. It's also got RFID blocking to stop people from stealing the information off your debit and credit cards. And I was able to hold up to 8 cards in the wallet. I really like the quality of this wallet and the leather that it's made out of. It has a real good feel to it. And with this new slender wallet, it doesn't give you back pain if you sit on it, but I prefer to put it in my front pocket, that way it doesn't bother me at all. And it's much smaller than old traditional wallets. And you can just see the size difference between my old wallet and this new one. But if you're interested in picking one up for yourself, check out the link below. Alright, now back to our video. Alright, I don't even see a date on this battery, so God only knows when it was installed in the car. But let's go ahead and take off the positive, the negative, and we're going to remove this bracket that comes across the top too. Alright, let's go get this thing loaded in the SUV real quick.
Five minutes later.
I did scrape off a lot of rust on this bracket as well, and I had that white kind of powdery material from the batteries. So I scraped it all off, and now I'm throwing a fresh coat of paint on it. as you saw, it just tightened down the positive and the negative. So now let's put on our new-ish hold down bar with the J-hooks. Alright, so it's kind of hard to see, but this J-hook hooks to the side where the battery mounts at on the bottom, where this J-hook, it actually mounts to the fender. But now, look at that, the car actually unlocks, locks, all that good stuff. So I'm doing this after the fact, but I wanted to put this in the video. It's a good habit to get into, to write the date on the battery, just so future mechanics or even yourself knows when this battery got changed out. I also put the mileage on here as well. Well, if you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below and I'll try and answer them as soon as I can. Hope this video helped. If you like any of the background music that was in this video, check out the artist's SoundCloud, link is in the description.